Okay, I'm going to be putting some new vinyl flooring in here, so I need to take out this old carpet. I'm going to be replacing the baseboards, so I'm going to take them out. Sometimes you can leave them in and just put some cord around there, some trim, or if you're putting new carpet in, you can just leave it in. But I'm going to take it out. So I'm going to start with that because it makes taking the carpet out a little bit easier. You don't want to just pull this off without cutting the caulking along the top, because you can rip into the drywall paper and then you're into some bigger problems. So first thing you want to do is take a nice sharp knife, run it across the top. Oops. Watch you don't cut your hand. Now you can take a glazing tool here. This is usually found in the paint area, not the carpentry area. Just pull it off. If there's spots that didn't cut very well, just fix it there. Just like that. You can pull out the little nails, but I usually just tap them in with a hammer as I go along. Run your hammer across so you don't cut your hand looking for nails. You want to cut the carpet into strips. It's good size that you can carry it out. You don't want to try and do the whole thing at once because it's just a pain in the butt. So I usually go about 36 inches or so. Now this has a smooth edge along the outside and then an underlay. So you want to make sure you're cutting through the carpet. Closet for now, so I'll just cut along the door. And you just pull it up. Up, but if you don't have any tape like me, cut a strip halfway, maybe a little more, flip it over. If you take The underlay comes out the same way. Normally I take all the carpet off and do all the underlay. The difference here is that this underlay is going to be stapled in everywhere. I usually just kind of roll it up and put it in garbage bags. And then take your bigger bar, take all the smooth edge out. You want to get all the staples as you go along.